Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can split a PDF document that's multiple pages into actually multiple documents, and you can do that right within your command opportunity. So let's navigate over. We're in command. Let's go over to our opportunities here on the far left. And then you'll just want to click into your sales pipeline to find that opportunity you're wanting to use. So we'll just click this guy right here. And once you select your opportunity, go to your Documents tab. On the left-hand side, make sure that you have your correct checklist selected. Now, yours may look different. Each market center has different compliance checklists, so you may not see any options here, or you may see a lot. Just make sure you choose the one that is fitting for this particular opportunity. And then when you see the different types of events listed here, go ahead and select which one that this document is for. So we'll say this one is for under contract. Once this loads, on the far right-hand side, click the three dots and choose Split and Attach PDF. This will give you an option to choose where that PDF is currently located. So if it's in your DocuSign account or on your computer, just go ahead and choose the appropriate one. Our PDF is on our device, on our computer, so we'll choose this option here. Now I can drag and drop my file over or click Browse and choose the document from our device and give it just a second to upload and choose Next. Now a preview will open on the left-hand side and you can see the different pages of this PDF. So on the right-hand side, we're going to tell it which page or how many pages to split off into the first document here. So the very first field, it needs to know what this document will be submitted for. Like when you upload this PDF, which compliance document is this for? So we're going to say, let's just say it's our purchase and sale agreement and choose how many pages that particular document is. We'll just say it's page 1. And then we need to name the new document. So we'll just say, and then if this second page is also another document that you need to submit for another compliance item for the opportunity, you can go ahead and do the same thing for that page as well. Attach more pages, choose which compliance document this is. So we'll just say lead-based paint. Choose which page it is. It's page 2. And then we'll need to name it. And there you go. Now, if you just need like one page out of this whole PDF document, you can just choose that one page. You can just delete by choosing the minus sign over here for page 2 and just say, okay, page 1 is just the only one we need. And it can be any page out of that full PDF document, but you're only saving and submitting one section or one page out of that PDF. When you're ready, go ahead and click Split and Attach Selected. You'll come back here and it will give you a banner saying that it has been successful. You should see that document submitted here. You can see here where we named it Purchase and Sale 1, and we submitted it for the compliance document Purchase and Sale Agreement, and it shows uploaded. Now, you can always come over under Custom Fields on the left-hand side, Custom Folders, and you should see a folder named Split Attached Uploads. You can always come here to actually access that original PDF in its entirety if you ever need to access it again. If you have any questions about this at all or any of your KW platforms, please reach out to us via email, and our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.